Guys, it is so cold in Los Angeles. I'm living through an ice age. I just met a polar bear. He asked me if I had an extra coat. Happy Monday. Welcome to Making Design Stuff. Do the intro, bro.
Hello. Gorgeous.
Can we get a like for the intro, my friends? For today's tasks, I'm going to get back to the 30-day logo design challenge. You know, once you start something, you gotta finish it eventually, possibly. So I believe we're on number 24 for that. All right, and then after that, I'm gonna do some more work on the animation project I have going on for the app Purity. All right, sugar and spice, let's get started with today's logo design challenge. Let me just move. What's the computer's name? I named him a number of years ago, but I forgot his name. Hi, Avocado. Avocados are so expensive here. You have no idea. They're like $2 per avocado. For smart grocery shopping, our bundle includes a mount for your phone to attach to the handle of your grocery cart / buggy. Okay, write in the comments whether you say cart or buggy. And we'll scan each item as you put it in your cart. This keeps track of all kinds of awesome data, including total price, calories, and other nutritional information, recipe ideas based on what's in your cart, and more. That's actually, I would use that. That's actually really cool. We need the logo to include both an icon and text, please. We also ask that you provide what the app icon would look like with the logo. Thanks, Zoe Pearson, Avocado. Zoe, I'm so glad you came to the realm of the design champions. We will get right on your avocado logo, and I hope that you love the outcome. All right, let's get started. Oh, more adventures in Illustrator. I was drawing out some ideas for how I might incorporate both a shopping experience and maybe even a pear. Psych, it's an avocado. Oh yeah. So usually I don't use a grid because grids are for people who are cooler than they are. No. Grids are very helpful, and I suggest using them. But I don't know. I feel like you don't have to use them always. So I just want to get kind of an idea. So the first idea I want to work with is it's a shopping cart, but the main body of the shopping cart is a avocado on its side. Very clever. So I couldn't really decide how much detail I wanted the shopping cart to have. Now here I was adding some color, and it just like I don't know. It's so hard to put colors right next to each other without like a line to separate them when it comes to a logo. It can be done, but it's not that easy. So here I go through like a million different variations of how we can represent a shopping cart or possibly a buggy. Let me know which one you say. To me, a buggy sounds so weird. We have a term in America that we say somebody's bugging out. I don't know. It means you're being a little bit crazy or weird. So the second idea I want to pause on that logo and go with another design. Oh wow, look, I'm looking for music. I go with another design that was kind of the payment idea for an avocado. So I want to get like a credit card. You shouldn't use credit cards, okay? You should try to use debit card as much as you can, unless you're trying to build credit. That's a good idea. But I wanted to try to incorporate a credit card and an avocado, and I just wasn't sure how to put them together. But I think I finally came up with a good idea that touched on another idea I had in the beginning, which was to put kind of like a hang tag, a hang price tag off of the avocado. So I kind of put those two ideas together, and I put kind of the credit card coming off the avocado. So here are the two final versions. You can see one's a shopping cart and one is a credit card. And then here are the two app icons, what they might look like if they were app icons, which also Zoe, the client asked to see. So, yes, those are the options. Please vote. Do you like credit card boy or a shopping cart boy? And if you say buggy, then please forgive me. The options are cart boy or card boy. Okay, can't wait to see what y'all think. Let me know also in the comments below what changes you would make to which one you prefer. Yeah. So, thanks so much. Let's keep it moving and grooving and soothing to the music. All right, next up is the animation. First thing, I gotta get all the animations assets ready to animate from Illustrator, so that means I gotta put all the arms and everything on different layers for each of the animated scenes I wanna do. Oh, that'll take a long time. So I'm gonna see if I can set up the characters with that, and then we'll see how that goes. All right. Hopefully there'll be some sort of status update on that guy. Thank you so much for watching this episode of, what is it? Making Design Stuffs. You guys are so awesome. All right, and if you wouldn't mind, leave in the comments below which logo you prefer and also what changes you would make to the logo that you prefer, and also any updates you guys have with your life. If anything interesting happened, write it down below. Any good achievements or defeats, really either one. I will share an achievement. I just got a job. I start today, actually. Monday morning. So I'll have to figure out how to make videos while I'm working full time. So, I'll try. Okay, see you later, alligator, and stay awesome, possum. Bye. Bye.